Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Devon Terrell in raw form, and thank you so much for 100,000 YouTube subscribers. And to commemorate this moment of reaching 100,000 subscribers, I have a few things I want to give to you guys. First things first, let's open up and let me start to tell you about the HMD Mix Contest. That's right, a contest that is based on mixing and mastering a record. First place winner will receive $1,000 cash money and a job at HMD. Second place will receive $400 in store credit at helpmedevon.info. Third place will receive $300 at helpmedevon.info. Fourth place will receive $200 in store credit at helpmedevon.info. And fifth place will receive $100 in store credit in helpmedevon.info. So yes, first place will receive $1,000 in cash as well as a job at HMD. Just to be clear, everyone else will receive store credit with those amounts that I had listed before, and maybe we'll find another person to get a job. So you're thinking right now, how do you enter? So to weed out who's serious and who's not, there is a $20 entrance fee. But with the $20, you get access and download to a tracked out song of mine that you can practice on and basically just use to train your ears if you didn't even enter the contest. So basically you can download these tracked outs and mix them, and you have until January 18th of 2021 to submit it back to me. When you purchase your tracked outs, you'll see instructions inside that'll basically walk you through what you have to do to submit your mix. Once you're finished with your mix, there'll be instructions inside telling you how to upload your mix. So good luck to all of you, and the link is in the description below. The second thing that I'm super proud to announce is we have new vocal chains and presets in the Help Me Devon store. We have new vocal chains and we listen to you for CUBASE. We also have a new Travis Scott inspired one.
I get those goosebumps every time I need the Heimlich.
Billie Eilish inspired, Ariana Grande.
No one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching up positions for you. Lips, me, teeth, and tongue.
Kid Laroi, Bryson Tiller.
Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my plan.
Lil Uzi Vert.
So sit down, do too much. Ain't enough, where you from?
Polo G.
We pop out at your party, I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery. So tuck your chain, I'm a killer girl, I'm sorry.
Jack Harlow. A ton of new vocal chains for the DAWs that you see below are now available in the Help Me Devon store. Hurry up and go get them. You are gonna love these things. Also, on top of that, we have new Studio Rack presets. We have the HMD Studio Rack Master Rack, which is incredible, and I can't wait to show you guys a video of how that thing is used, but it's in the description as well right now. The HMD Master Rack will make mastering your audio so much easier, I promise. The other one we have is the HMD Effects Rack. And what the HMD Effects Rack is, it gives you a very easy and fast way to slap effects, all kinds of cool distortion, flanger, all kinds of really interesting effects on any sound source with just knobs. That's super dope.
Feel the city when I see it in your wallet. Busting up and beating when I get you on the side, bitch.
Video on that coming soon as well, but it's in the link in the description. And the very last thing I want to tell you guys about is a new book that we have coming. Well, more like a curriculum and book. It's an ebook mixed with an audiobook with video. This really new interesting concept that we're coming up with, basically to give you guys a mixed theory curriculum. I know you guys and girls have been asking me for some type of class, and here it comes. Within the next few months, you'll see this class available, and when it does, make sure you jump on it immediately. HMD Mix Theory ebook and curriculum. So once again, I just want to say thank you guys and girls so much for supporting me. I never thought in my career that I would be sitting behind a computer and just sharing the knowledge and mistakes and things like that that I've learned over the course of my career and how it would resonate with you. Please keep this thing going. I really appreciate everyone in the Discord that we have. I'll leave that link in the description below too for our Discord community. Shout out to them for always keeping me motivated, always asking each other questions, and we just fighting to get better. And don't forget, when it comes to that HMD Mix Theory competition, the person who is number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to get exposure. I'm going to make sure I do Twitch streams and also YouTube live streams of me deciding who wins live. So it's super, super dope. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. I can't wait to see what else we come up with this year and what other milestones we reach and stuff like that. And until next time, you guys.